Personal robots are no longer just experimental gadgets. They're smart, interactive, and ready to become part of daily life. From security patrols to AI companionship, these machines are pushing boundaries in ways we never imagined. Today, we're looking at 5 personal robots of 2025 that are redefining what technology can do inside our homes.
A robot.
Yes.
What are we going to do with a robot?
Well, Astro, follow me.
Amazon Astro, a security guard, a smart home assistant, and a personal butler, all in one. Unlike static smart speakers, Astro moves around, patrolling your home with precision. It actively recognizes familiar faces and sends immediate alerts if something seems off, ensuring your home stays safe. Need to check something up high. Its innovative periscope camera extends up to 42 inches, allowing it to scan shelves or double-check if the stove is off before you leave. Powered by Alexa, Astro brings you full smart home control on wheels, whether it's streaming your favorite tunes, managing connected devices, or even displaying video feeds when needed. Amazon also emphasizes your privacy. With easy-to-use manual controls, you can disable its cameras and microphones whenever you want complete peace of mind. However, such cutting-edge functionality comes at a premium, $1,599.99. And rather than being available for everyone, Astro is offered exclusively through Amazon's Day One Editions program. This premium price reflects a new era, a robot that actively watches over your home and integrates effortlessly into your smart ecosystem. Samsung Ballie. If Astro is your vigilant guardian, then Ballie is the friendly helper that personalizes your daily routine. Ballie is designed to learn from you. It adapts to your schedule by adjusting your smart home settings, from dimming the lights in the evening to ensuring your thermostat is set perfectly before you arrive home. It even keeps a discreet eye on your pets, so you know they're safe even when you're not around. But what truly sets Ballie apart is its built-in projector. Imagine waking up to a gentle display of your schedule or watching a workout routine projected right onto your wall. Whether it's guiding you through a fitness session or presenting reminders on the floor, Ballie transforms your space into a dynamic control center. It's entirely voice-controlled, working harmoniously with Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assistant, making your interaction as natural as a conversation. Though Samsung hasn't finalized the price yet, current estimates suggest it will be around $999. Ballie is more than just a gadget. It's a rolling AI that watches, learns, and adapts to your lifestyle, becoming an indispensable part of your everyday routine. Eilik, the emotional companion. Not every robot is designed for utility. Some are built to connect with us on a personal level. That's where Eilik steps in. Unlike devices solely meant for automation, Eilik is all about emotion and connection. This tiny AI companion is engineered to react to touch, sound, and even your mood. It can express a range of feelings, from happiness and excitement to sadness, or even a hint of annoyance if you forget to interact with it. With over 1,000 unique emotional expressions, Eilik brings a lively and engaging presence to your desk or living space. It dances, giggles, and responds in ways that make it feel almost human. What's remarkable is its simplicity. No complex apps or lengthy setups are required. You simply turn it on and it's ready to interact, instantly adding warmth and personality to your environment. All this is available for just $299, making it one of the most accessible ways to introduce a spark of emotion into your tech collection. Eilik proves that sometimes a little robot with a big personality is all you need to brighten your day. Loona, the playful AI pet.
This is your robot. This is your pet. This is your pet bot. Loona? Loona! Nah, this is your pet bot.
While Eilik offers emotional connection, Loona takes a playful leap into the realm of companionship by behaving much like a pet. Loona isn't just a device that moves. It actively follows you around, responds to both voice and touch, and even recognizes your face. It expresses excitement when you're near and shows signs of sadness when left alone, mimicking the behavior of a real pet without the extra responsibilities. Beyond its endearing personality, Loona is built with smart navigation. It uses advanced object recognition to effortlessly move around obstacles and interact with its surroundings. For tech enthusiasts, it gets even better. Loona is fully programmable via its own SDK, allowing you to create custom behaviors and add a unique twist to its interactions. At $449, Loona is not just a novelty. It's a futuristic pet that brings AI to life, offering companionship that adapts to your world. Enabot EBO X, your home's AI guardian. Bringing us back to the realm of security, Enabot EBO X represents a perfect blend of home protection and interactive functionality. This rolling AI security bot patrols your home, continuously scanning for any unusual activity and alerting you immediately if it detects any irregularities. Its proactive approach to home safety is complemented by its dual functionality. It's also designed to entertain and interact with your pets. Equipped with a built-in laser pointer, EBO X can engage your pets in playful interactions, ensuring that even when you're away, your furry friends aren't left bored. Its two-way audio system lets you have real-time conversations with family members or simply check in on your home, while the inclusion of Harman Audio EFX speakers transforms it into a smart speaker that can stream music and deliver notifications. All these features come together at an attractive price of $399, offering a balanced mix of security and entertainment. A true watchdog that doesn't bark. From smart assistants to emotional AI companions, these robots aren't just gadgets anymore. They're becoming part of everyday life. So, which one would you bring home? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more futuristic tech.